China has urged its people to remain vigilant. There's panic among those surfing the internet. Netizens are on guard. This as Beijing fears what it claims to be Taiwan's propaganda campaign. So what is China fearful of? Anonymous 64. A Taiwanese hacking group. It is keeping the Chinese government on its toes by conducting cyber attacks against mainland China, Hong Kong, and Macau. Now, this information has been revealed by none other than the Chinese National Security Ministry. Anticipating more attacks, the ministry has urged citizens to be more careful and report incidents of anti-propaganda sabotage. If one looks at the history of this group that is at the center of China's trouble, Anonymous 64, it was established in June 2023. It usually posts videos comparing President Xi Jinping to an emperor, often referencing significant historical protests that have taken place against him. Their activities also include creating media that commemorates events like Tiananmen Square protests. Now, since early 2023, Anonymous 64 has been accused of uploading and broadcasting content that undermines China's political system. Now, the group does that through various platforms, including websites and TV stations. And further, the group even claims affiliation with Taiwan's cyber warfare wing, which itself faces accusation of Chinese disinformation campaigns. Now, China's National Security Ministry has stated that many of the websites claimed to be hacked by Anonymous 64 were either fake or had minimal traffic, and the group's claims were often photoshopped. Now, how much truth does the Chinese statement hold? One cannot say, as there cannot be any smoke without fire. Beijing, if you see, has registered a case against 3 members linked to Taiwan's cyber warfare wing. It has asked people to refrain from spreading rumors about the incident. In fact, Taiwan's Mainland Council Affairs has not commented on the situation, while Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense has denied claims by China's security agency. It has rather blamed China for weaponizing data and conducting cyber attacks on Taiwan to harass the island. It has rather blamed China for weaponizing data and conducting cyber attacks to harass Taiwan. Bureau Report, India Today Global.